unboxing. Hold on. We'll go like that. Okay. I think this might be one of those Amazon have overdone it with the boxes. Yes, I ordered brown paper. These things are really expensive. I found this one on the warehouse and it's somewhat cheaper. It's like £30 instead of £130. Turns them into them, hopefully. Then it just goes like something like that. And a plug and a thing. Well, look at the mess. Look at that. Didn't you want that box? Are you finished with it? So, what you get in the box is a sieve, some random bits of jewellery, some spare rubber bands, instructions, which are kind of interesting and kind of fun and kind of flippant as well in places. It's very homemade, and you get these bags of grit, 1, 2, 3, 4, and lots of silica packets. And of course the drum. So basically I set up the tumbler without filming because I wasn't sure how to do it, whether it was actually going to work or if it was going to be a problem. But now we're here and let me show you. So this is the problem with it. Okay. Doing that. Never ending, just grinds away like that. So 5 days of that just continuously making. Okay, it's been a day. It says 3 to 5 days for the thing, so I want to see what it's like after a day. Basically the noise is driving me mad. This is a good fit, it's got to be said. There we go. These are the rocks I found. That's a lump of amethyst. I think that's lapis. Starts to look good. I guess it's going back on. I just wish I could find somewhere keeping it quieter. It's right by my back door, it's on concrete, it's making a lot of noise. It sounds like the pump of a water filter, but I'm sensitive to noise, having lived here for so long. Dog, she's going to help. There. Right. And that is it for now.
Eventually.
And it's, you can see it's rubbed the top of the box where it rubs it occasionally. Now this has been going on for 5 days. You undo this, you have to turn it up really tight. And then you squeeze the sides to get that like that. And it looks like that inside. Sludgy. I think you might want to keep slurry. Okay, so in some just clean water and rub them off and see what we've got. So you can sand it, keep going for like more and more days, and they'll get smoother and smoother. Now I think this is one of the stones I found, and I just want to see what would happen. And basically not a lot, it just becomes a shiny polished beach stone. Same as that. Beach stones that look like beach stones. It's kind of guesswork on what's going to come out. Piece of rose quartz. sea stones polished up. I think rose quartz, amethyst, a couple of bits of lapis. Not bad. They've come out a little bit milky. Probably would work for a lot more polishing and more tumbling, but not bad. As for this, well, it was an impromptu sort of thing. I saw it. It was cheap, basically. I tried it. And my review is, in here, in a flat, it makes a lot of noise. I couldn't have had it in the flat going, because the grinding sound was loud. I put it on the balcony, and it was still loud. In the end, I put that over it, like that, and then placed this in the polystyrene that it came in the box, and then on a piece of the rubbish XPS foam, and then covered the whole thing in a sheet and made sure it didn't get overheated. It's a dog. And muffled the sound as best I could. It sounded like the pump of a water feature. So if you've got outside space and you can run an extension lead and stick it in the shed at the end of the garage or under a box, waterproofed and so forth, or you live in somewhere that doesn't rain, that'd be nice, then yeah, go for it. Great. You just leave it on for 5 days to grind away slowly and slowly and slowly. And then after 5 days, rocks come out looking like that. It's okay. It would be good. It would be fun. But this is going to go in the cupboard, and this is going to be my sort of manifestation for me wanting a flat with a garden, a ground floor flat with a garden, where I could put this outside and just leave it to run for days. I would wonder if you could fit up like a little solar panel on top and charge it, run it that way. I don't think it uses very much electricity. I should think the motor's very big, but it just continues on for 5 days non-stop. Not bad. It was worth the experiment. Yeah, I hope you liked this. I hope this was good and entertaining and educational. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Talk to me below, leave me comments, tell me stuff. I don't know. Is that adventuring? Adventuring? It's not jade, so it came with the pack and I don't know where it is. And if you know of any good crystal shops in London, tell me. Wicker Moon in Eltham seems really good. We like that. But anywhere else? And if you're not already and you like alternative and diverse content, not just one thing, a channel made up of lots of things. Yeah. In London, being creative, 2 channels for the price of 1. Then you should hit subscribe and come back next time for more. Until then, bye. It's green. Actually, no, granted, nobody in this blog gives a damn about how loud they are, so I can't be enjoying them sort of thing, but I still feel wary of the noise at all times. Yay, more brown paper. Pendant things. They were meant to be big ones. Giant. What is this? More brown paper. And more brown paper. Really? Literally a mat. Because this one, well, one, it's green, it's smaller, and it's warped as hell. So that can be thrown away.